Hey guys, Jason here with Jason's Works. I just wanted to do a quick video and let you know I just got off just got done talking with Mark Nelson, the head guy who does all the trainings at Rio Grande. And looks like the March class, which is in a few weeks now, is all filled up, and there's 7 people on the waiting list, the coin ring making class. And so that's a green light for the next training, which is going to be August 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. Let me double check that. Let's see here, October, August, there we go. Yeah, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. I checked the Rio page. It's not on there yet, but it will be. But I would go ahead and sign up for this class and get put onto the waiting list, and then you'll get kicked over to the next class in August. So I just want to give you a heads up on that. It's filling up quick. So if you would like to go, then check it out. It's really cool. It'll be a 3-day class. We'll be making rings out of dimes, quarters, half dollar, and Morgan dollar. And this year we're actually going to be able to imprint our own pattern onto some metal using the Durston rolling mill and make a seamless ring out of that. And you could also buy Mokame Gane and do a ring, and might be fooling around with some stainless steel Damascus as well. So but it'll be 3 days, be a lot of fun. It's a great place. You can also get a tour of Rio Grande, so definitely recommend that on the last day. And let's see what else. That's about it. I also do one-on-one trainings here at the shop. I just have to go on jasons.works, find out some more information, and contact me through there. And don't forget about Skyler Jenkins. He does classes as well on how to do coin rings. So I guess that's it for now. Stay tuned for some more videos coming up quick. Be sure to subscribe and like, and we'll see you soon. Bye.